The health benefits of chromium. Chromium is a trace mineral which is found in different foods that you eat. This is a very important nutrient which helps to improve certain hormones inside the human body. It also helps to nourish your cells with protein and materials that they need to function. In today's video, we highlight 14 facts and benefits of chromium, explain how it works in the body, and how you can get more of this into your diet. 1. Blood sugars. Chromium helps to improve the role of insulin in your body, the hormone that controls your blood sugars. Getting more chromium in the diet from foods like nutritional yeast can help your cells to absorb carbohydrates, fats, proteins and sugars better. 2. Diabetes. By improving insulin, this can also help those suffering with diabetes or pre-diabetes. Chromium is a key mineral which is needed to help heal the pancreas and fight against insulin resistance. 3. Energy levels. Chromium can also help you to feel more energized and alert because it helps your cells to get the fuel that they need. The small energy factories called mitochondria can produce ATP energy when you eat a diet filled with important minerals like chromium. 4. Cholesterol. Chromium is needed by the body to metabolize fats, including cholesterol. Research shows that people who consume more chromium-rich foods have healthier arteries and better levels of blood cholesterol. 5. Heart health. Studies show us that people who die of heart disease have much lower levels of chromium in their blood at the time of death. Chromium plays a key role in helping to protect the heart, along with other nutrients like vitamin E, K2 and many others. 6. PCOS. Women who suffer with polycystic ovary syndrome may consider taking a daily supplement of chromium picolinate. This helps to balance certain hormones in the body, which can reduce symptoms of PCOS. 7. Liver support. Chromium also helps to raise your levels of glutathione, the master antioxidant made by the liver. This can improve liver function so that your body can get rid of toxins and metabolic waste better. 8. Ketosis. If you are trying to lose weight following a ketogenic diet, then getting more chromium can speed up the time it takes for your body to burn fat and get into the state called ketosis. 9. Cravings. When following any diet plan, cravings can be a consistent problem for junk foods and refined grains. By helping to transport glucose around the body, chromium reduces cravings because your cells get the sugars that they need. This also helps to lower your overall hunger. 10. Brain health. By improving how insulin works in the body, chromium has also been shown to help protect the brain from cognitive decline with old age. Chromium helps to protect against alterations to the brain structure, especially the hypothalamus and other parts of your nervous system. This may reduce the risk of dementia and memory problems. 11. Acne prevention. Rapid changes in blood sugar levels can often cause breakouts of spots and acne, especially around the face. By helping to balance blood sugar, chromium can improve skin health. Foods rich in chromium often contain other phytonutrients and antioxidants that improve the skin's appearance and reduce the effects of aging. 12. Eye health. Chromium can also be helpful in protecting the eyes against glaucoma. Glaucoma is related to diabetes and a buildup of pressure and fluid in the eye. Chromium can lower the risk of eye disorders by helping to control blood glucose. 13. Bone strength. Chromium has also been shown to slow the loss of calcium in the body, so it may also be protective against bone loss. This makes it a natural remedy for osteoporosis amongst other key minerals. 14. The best sources of chromium. You can get more chromium into your diet from eating broccoli, garlic, basil, nutritional yeast, grass-fed beef, turkey, basil and green beans. As you can see, chromium is a key nutrient which helps to transport glucose around the body and improve insulin sensitivity. This works with other essential minerals like potassium and magnesium to regulate your hormones and keep everything working in the body as it should. In our other videos, we go into depth into the benefits of each essential nutrient. Please see our channel to learn more. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.